doing it? Chimera? You getting it all out? Did that taste good when Oh god. Olivia, let her do it however she wants. She's doing great for a baby. Good job. She was just using her hands and she was totally fine with that. And unlike you little sissy girls. Oh, she's gonna help you. Say thank you. We got pumpkin seeds all over the place already. So much for a sheet. Come here, are you getting them out? You can use your hands, honey. Ew. Sorry, this video is going to be so wobbly. I can't stop laughing. Chimera, does that taste good? No. Olivia, I said no knives. You're going to wind up cutting yourself. Give me that. You got to scrape it real hard. Oh, God. Why don't you get a smaller spoon like Alexa did? Maybe. Look at Chimera. She's just going at it with her hands. No fears. Say whatever. You got to get everything out. Chimera's probably doing a better job than you guys are with her hands. Yeah, because she's actually doing it. Most of that is from her pumpkin. Oh my gosh, it is almost done. Good job, Chimera. You're doing such a good job. I would rather use a spoon than touching a nut. Are you cleaning your pumpkin? You're cleaning it out? Get the stuff out. Gotta get it out of there. Baby girl's like, hey, is this food or what is this? Yeah, we can roast the seeds after. We'll brine them in some salt water. Come here, you gotta get them out. You gotta scrape all the sides. It's really not bad. It just feels weird. There you go. Olivia, stop being a sissy and get your hands in there. I said no knife. Ew, Lex, you shot it at me. It's not yolk, it's gut. Alright. Ew, you got it on my leg. Too funny. Use your hands, Olivia. No way.
Hurt that.
Ew. Ew, Lex, you're getting it all over me.
Ashley, stop it!
Okay.
A rotten potato.
Come here and say bye-bye.
Bye.
Come here. Say bye-bye.
Oh my God.
She's like, no.